Hey guys, I'm Luke with Rossmönster Vans. I want to show you one of our new rigs here. This is a Sprinter 170 4x4 2500. We'll talk about some of the exterior features we're looking at here. Starting from the bottom, working up, we've got Method wheels with BF Goodrich KO2s. As we come up, the rocker panels as well as the front bumper are lined with a Line-X product. As you move up, this is a custom wrap on it, which is going to make this van look different than most of your other rigs rolling down the road. As you go up, we've got this Fiama Eagle awning. This is an electric awning. It has a wind sensor on it, so when the wind starts to blow, this will put itself away. You've got controls just inside the van to open and close this. It's mounted to an aluminous roof rack. You've got exterior lighting zones around the roof rack, light bar in the front, these load lights on the side and rear, and then solar and storage space on top. Some of the other features that you're looking at here, you've got our Rossmönster Maxtrax Table. This doesn't have the Maxtrax on it yet, but you've got your 2 or 4 pin set here, so you can mount your Maxtrax here. Use this as a happy hour table when you're at camp. Clips away, nice and easy. As we come around the back here, we've got some Owl gear rear racks. This is a spare tire carrier on this side. This is the B2 carrier with a cargo box here. You've got your one-up bike trays. These guys are really easy to use. You pop them up, throw your bike on there, ratchet them down. Got lots of storage in this box, as well as some recovery gear attached to the side. As we come around the passenger side of the van, you got an aluminous side ladder with a surf pole. This setup allows you to mount surf hooks to, put SUPs, surfboards on the side of the van. Again, you've got your load lights on the side of the awning, or on the side of the roof rack here. As we come further forward, you've got a snorkel. It's gonna be great for all of your dirt road use. You'll notice as we walk by the tires, you've got an Agile off-road rip kit. Really makes this vehicle drive nice, both on and off-road. And then rounding out this build in the front, we have a CA Tune front bumper. We've got a 12,000 pound Warren winch here with a synthetic line. You got Baja Design LP9s controlled from the cab, and a really sleek, streamlined bumper up here. Hop inside and check out the rest of this build. All right, as we step into the van here, we'll talk about some of the design features. Starting from the bottom again, we've got Inhabit floor mats in here. These are a really cool system that lay over your flooring, so there's a laminate flooring underneath this, but these floor mats clip in here. They're custom cut to this exact layout. If they get really dirty or anything, you can pull them out, spray them down outside the vehicle. As we move up, we've got walnut cabinetry with slab doors throughout. Everything in here is grain matched and looks really sleek and modern. As we go to the ceiling, we've got a shiplap painted white on the ceiling. That's going to complement the Corian white countertops as our other horizontal surface in here. Jumping into the layout, at the front of this van, we have this side-facing bench seat. This is a leather bench seat that looks out the sliding door, so when you're at camp, you can really bring the outside in. This also flips down and converts into like a nice dog bed or day bed, a little bit multifunctional there. You got windows, C.R. Lawrence T-vent windows in both the sliding door and behind this bench seat, so you get really nice cross ventilation with the door opened or closed. As we move back, you've got lots of prep space on the passenger side here. You've got this flip up countertop, so you can extend this space all the way forward with enough room to pass in and out of the van, and have lots of prep space when you need it and put it away when you don't. Just behind this, we've got a June oven. This van has a particularly large power system, which is going to support this electric appliance. These are super cool and a nice way to bring a little luxury from home with you on the road. Moving further back, you've got a Rivati Sink. This is a 15 by 20. It has this removable cutting board insert. It is really nice for reclaiming your countertop space when you're not using the sink. Rearward of here, we've got a knock box and a Blendtec blender. So these guys are going to be able to throw their blender on here, make smoothies in the morning. We'll talk about where their coffee machine is stored over here, but you got your knock box This drops right down into your trash. In this cabinet, you've got trash and recycle. So you've got really quick access to drop things through the countertop or knock out your coffee grounds in the morning. And then you've got recycle behind there. Really slick setup for trash here. All the way at the back of the galley over here, we've got a large drawer bank with various sized drawers, all fit for their gear they're gonna bring along. As we move all the way to the rear, we've got a Murphy bed setup. So sometimes they'll leave this in bed mode. It'll look like a fixed bed that you're used to seeing in vans. You've got flare space on either side. But when they're in work mode, they can put the bed away on this side, and this countertop extends all the way to the back. So you can spread out, you know, lay documents, get your laptop out, standing desk, whatever you want back here. Lots of extra space. And then we've optimized storage above your mechanical cabinets here. So you're gonna be able to store stuff above your batteries on this side. You've got L-track for strapping gear down. You got power on this side, water over here. And then this Murphy bed system simply folds down. Put your mattress out. You got bed. This mattress is a 4-piece mattress. We'll set it up quickly. All custom cut to fit the flares. Just like that. You have your bed. You can leave it set up all the time if you want, or you can put it away. So as we move back forward on the driver's side here, we've got a closet with adjustable shelves. So you're gonna be able to move these shelves up and down depending on the gear that you're bringing with you. It's a really flexible space. Forward of the closet, we've got your shower. If you step around here and look in, we've got removable teak shelves. So this shower can either be configured as all shelf space. You can remove some of your shelves and use your removable closet rod at the top. You can remove all your shelves and have a permanent shower. You can mix and match whatever fits your needs. Your dry flush toilet sits at the bottom. This space is going to be really multifunctional. You kind of get all the best parts of having a shower in your van, and then get to recapture it as storage space on those trips where you might not be using your shower. As we move forward, we've got upper cabinets throughout the van. All of them and all the cabinets have these stainless steel push buttons. So push it in to unlock the cabinet, shows you your cabinet pull, and they flip up. All these upper cabinets have motion detected lights, so you get some really good interior lighting on your cabinets. And then below here, this is a rather custom cabinet that we worked with the client on. This is their Appliance Garage. So this guy flips up and slides back. They're gonna have their espresso machine in here. You're gonna be making coffee in the morning, knocking things out conveniently in your knock box over here. And then this flips closed and hides all that stuff away. Under here, we've got a Cruise 200. This is a DC fridge. You've got all your fridge space on the right, dedicated freezer space on the left. Close away. This is a really nice fridge for long trips. Whether you're 2 or 4 people, you can get lots of food in here. As we move all the way back to the front, there's one last feature we didn't talk about. You've got your 2-person bench seat here, and we've also got a lagoon table and swivels up here. So you can convert this space to be really comfortable for 2 people or 4 people. Pull our table out. We're gonna mount our lagoon table. The lagoon system's cool because it stores all its pieces when it's stored. We build these custom table brackets in-house to mount to the passenger seat base so that you can have the lagoon table up here, swivel your driver and passenger seat, and create a really comfortable seating area for 2, 3, or 4 people up here. And then this table breaks down really easily. Just pop this guy off. You're good to go. We'll head to the back and check out the last of this build. All right, as we come to the back here, open up your rear doors. Your gear swings away with your doors with the owl gear. Back here, we get a pretty similar view that we had on the inside, just from a different place here. You've got garage lights that are gonna have specific lighting back here. So if this raised bed is down, you're gonna be able to have task lighting in here. Again, all of these mechanical cabinets have interior lights in them. On this side, we've housed our water system. You've got your 2-stage water filter seen over here. And then you've got a 30-gallon water tank at the bottom of this cabinet with your heater vent at the front. This is an Aqua Hot heating system, so it's going to be a diesel fire furnace that creates both your heat and hot water in the rig. You've got outdoor shower here with your quick connect port, and then on this side you got your power system. There's 800 amp hours of lithium battery bank in here, all Victron equipment, solar on the roof, auxiliary alternator charging, so whether you're idling or driving down the road, you're charging these batteries really quick. Other than that, the only things that we missed talking about ventilation as we look down the ceiling here, we've got a Dometic RTX 2000 AC unit. That's gonna be a 12-volt unit, so really efficient. You know, with this kind of battery bank, you can be off-grid for days running that AC unit just on battery power. And then you've got your max air fan in the front of that, so between all the windows in here, the AC unit, you're gonna be able to keep it really well ventilated in here and cool in the hotter months. Thanks for checking out our new build. Please check us out on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you get your social media. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next build.